Muy buenas noches, Miss. El día de hoy voy a realizar un video explicando acerca de características utilizando el she was born, ¿sí? En inglés, sobre una fotografía mía. Entonces, bueno, me presento, mi nombre es Andrés Van Chemplúa, soy estudiante de segundo de mecánica A. Eh, ya, ahorita les voy a hablar sobre la descripción, ¿sí? We was born on October 13, 26. I this his full name name is Andrés Gustavo Anchempluas. In the photography, we was studying with his parents. We was wearing his favorite comfortable clothes was the love to put on. As child, we was very happy, calm, I full of laughter almost all the time. We was always curious about this. He didn't count yet. We was about love eating fruits every day. We was every accident uh, wherever she went for motorcycle rides with his uncle. We was fond of playing soccer in his free time. We was always happy to go out on walks. I trippers with this family. We was completely in love with eating ice cream. Bueno, eso ha sido todo por hoy, ingeniera. Muchas gracias por todo.